I'm Robb Ferguson, and this is my 1973 Datsun 1200. When this car came to America, it was the cheapest car you could buy. It was a good economy car to help with the gas crunch. But in Japan, the cars have been raced in various forms of motorsport, but a lot of inspiration comes from that series and other people that have that old like time Kyusha style race car status in Japan. So that's what inspired me on this build. It's basically a nod to the design I used on my 95 S14 with the Boss kit. It has a factory A series engine, a lot of aftermarket goods, suspension, paint, got the Rocket Bunny body kit. Also, once again on this build, I'm using Speedhuts gauges. It's a great product. I love customization of the product, ease of use and installation of the product, and reliability of the product is, you really can't beat it. And then let's take a look inside. A lot of people swap in newer engines, but I wanted to kind of stay true to the Datsun B110 platform and use a 812 engine. The engine was built by Blue Moon Performance in Costa Mesa. Kyusha House Taka rebuilt all my Solex Mikuni carbs, and I have a Tomei intake manifold and a custom exhaust system on the vehicle with Koyo radiator and other products coming soon. So it's real simple to install the products you get from Speedhut. Basically I have the 3-gauge cluster setup with speedometer, RPM, and other engine vitals. You can choose any layout you want on their website. Everything comes ready to go, plug and play. You got your sensors, you got your wire harnesses. You know, it's just a simple screw-on ring, remove your factory cluster, put the new cluster in place of the old one, and then screw in the locking ring, and then wire everything up and run your wires to your engine, and everything's great. Cool. Thanks for looking at my car.